Welcome to Engine Carbon Cleaning Care. Today we discuss, what is HHO gas? Oxyhydrogen. It is a mixture of hydrogen, H2, and oxygen, O2, gases. This gas called brown gas or HHO gas. Oxyhydrogen, gas as carbon-free fuel. How to production HHO gas? The electrolysis, CO, of water, H2O, is one of the easiest way to make hydrogen gas. Electrolysis breaks the water into hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. So, you can collect impure oxygen using this method, too. How much gas produced HHO gas per liter? 1 liter of water will produce 1,235.9 liters of hydrogen and 624 liters of oxygen. Note that according to Avogadro's law, the volume of hydrogen is about twice that of oxygen, because 1 mole of water produces 1 mole of hydrogen and half a mole of oxygen. Oxyhydrogen gas as carbon-free fuel. HHO gas history? This gas research and developed approximately more than 40 years old technology. Since 1776 various scientists research and developed this HHO gas are called brown gas.